tyres are a huge part of a fleet's running cost. The KPIs we look at for improved tyre management are what we call SC3. The 3 C's are cost effectiveness, competitiveness and control. The S, which stands for safety, is the most crucial part of any fleet operating KPI. To achieve the SC3 KPI, any organisation that uses tyres needs to look at 5 key areas that we call Sigma 5. This is tyre management methodology for achieving operational excellence and cost savings for any fleet operator. Engineering-based maintenance systems. This is professional tyre maintenance and support for your fleet based on engineering methods and over 90 years of experience in commercial tyres. Our Scott service offer covers everything from 24/7 breakdown through to complete outsourced tyre management. Comprehensive tyre solutions. This involves getting the right tyre for the right application. Almost every fleet is different. They take different routes, they have different applications, they carry different cargo. What this means is that we need to study and understand all the elements that relate directly to your fleet operation and the tyres, so that we can make clear, concise recommendations for the right tyre that will give you the strongest performance over the longest period of time. Scientific knowledge, accreditation and academy. Kit Loong can offer comprehensive theory and practical training for tyre maintenance practices based on scientific knowledge. Our academy is a one-stop shop for all your commercial tyre and fleet management know-how. This includes both practical hands-on training for technicians and engineers, through to training for senior staff on implementation of Scott-approved SOPs, processes, and to structurally improve the operational efficiency of your organisation. 24/7 tyre rescue and mobile maintenance. Kit Loong, through our Scott Mobile service offer, has the largest wholly owned, dependable, quick response 24/7 tyre rescue service. We have full peninsula-wide coverage and international ISO accreditation for safe practices and recovery. We now offer mobile maintenance support either ad hoc or through contracts. We take the stress out of roadside breakdown, and over 90% of our breakdowns are attended in under 2 hours. Complete digital oversight. The final part that oversees everything is connected services through digital tracking in real time to monitor and improve the efficiency of your fleet operation. Through our Care Connect platform, we can track a tyre life from first purchase through to recycling. We can provide real-time data on every tyre on every truck in your fleet. We can also produce reports on total tyre life CPK performance, giving you the management data needed to make the right choices for your fleet. With Care Connect, every tyre, vehicle, depot and fleet will have a health card for monitoring the performance across the whole organisation. Embedding the Sigma 5 methodology into your fleet tyre operation will lead to you achieving the key KPIs of improved safety, better cost effectiveness, improved competitiveness and tighter control over your operation. Once these KPIs are achieved, they lead to a better CPK. CPK stands for cost per kilometre. It is a measure of cost versus efficiency for tyres. It is the only way you can compare the true cost of a tyre. A 1,000 ringgit tyre may do double the distance of a 500 ringgit tyre, which gives them an equal CPK. Often we find the more expensive tyres have a stronger CPK, meaning that buying cheaper tyres is not necessarily the cheapest option.